My name is Bob. I'm from Advanced Glass Expert in Lorton, Virginia. We've been in business for about 12 years now. We just got into designing showers and fabricating showers, and Smart Build has really helped us out a lot. I like how we can custom design panels. That's my favorite part about it. Under the job section, where I can take a panel and I can put my hinges, notches, my cache holes, my internal cutouts, my shape designs, all customized, and I can send it directly to my CNC for it to fabricate it. Yes, it's definitely sped up the process, and I can draw a shower in less than 30 seconds, 45 seconds. It's easy for my staff to use, which is the most important thing, especially the online programs. I love the software. The best thing about it, if you're custom designing showers, you definitely want to be with Smart Glazier.